proper. I'm trying to see a different angle, as you can see. I had some from this side. Yeah, it's like a shell. So now it's like lagian is like corner shown. So at the same time, let's get a cable on the perspective. Perspective, magata Gagash, as you can see, even the topic there. So, perspective, I mean, as you can see on the topic, I feel like Mesalo Gagash, maybe it's time I relax. Maybe it's time I relax because no one knows to show you a look in Yan. I mean, I provoke the president. And the moment you get a warning. It was actually a warning. So, this case, it's actually his mother. We want about to pay. No, we can December. He's consuming alcohol. So, if you are not consuming alcohol, what about his mother? Because man and one other boy and stuff like that. It's part of her job, which means obviously she has to be sober. And the you're affected for December because January it's guy. Maybe then the vlog one day so you're never affected again. My we are not affected. Dr. Joshirman. Dr. Joshirman in most cases is very repeator, guys. So even though beefy by being you're not, I think of pain. It does not feel that much pain because I'm affected directly. It's very, very rare for one of Dr. Joshirman who Banga, the laboratory similar to post laying out before in you. So hela raka mavunda la nga fa urai wa munhu this mabunda complex yakuphefumula kwala amahlonka that building that is ama kuyizuma maybe mako kusho zuma sitala kwa swi affecta yena the footage and stuff like that. So nakuzama kumzumela nomkomba la mkhula eperforma kona. So that building there amahlonka that building la eperforma konkwe ufunda hlenhlela kona yeah la eperforma kona la and then la Gipsy Lengala. Yovolena and Dr. Joshirman, Dana, Hoko, Gipsy and stuff like that. So you know you duck on Yamali. Let me one out and stuff like that. Let me one out. And then the Imabunda complex, and then Ili Caltex leave. We'll have this Caltex here. Ili Caltex. And then Amatanga Caltex, Metawana Bridge. Rona Ngena Gula. Yeah. Mankuman. So Menantan Kanyaka satellite. Satellite belongs to Magchacho moon. Angena gona kokwa anga promote you until mene van wonde no kai ko itacho ya lo dung cha Mr. Post. So Caltex is this one here. Caltex and then bridge ra entrance hilarially and then mabunda illi so shoko lo kachacho itacho kusukala le angena athathela and then atsuma avial ngaka satellite and then like thembila as you can see ukudwanya yeah. So listen, I think it's best maybe look me salo. Asunke no wakachan sa manuago because we want to come action sa manuana because we want to talk how to most of the pain. And the befile ya to nyang if me ingesela ka be the president. Kwa yo nyeka warning hite ha bo anchima kwa shamwe if me kash boy stikambe then station box so kambe station box very station box na taka hlungwana susu ya na yena one two three something like that na magolo dombo and stuff like that. So maona kumhaka kona ita ile ngopfu leswi nga fa xikombisa so mina nga ku ku vona ka mina Gagash I relax isukela swa beef because mona ya continue ya mahloni and nge chayi kahle yeah loko ra mi ngeza subscribe ta kumla mi tika subscribe yeah hiko ku certify kona la giya